G'day and happy Cocktail Fridays. As always, I'm your host Troy. Today we are doing a viewer's request for nut, and this is a jalapeno margarita.
Hot tamale, hot tamale, hot tamale, hot.
This recipe calls for tequila, triple sec, fresh lime juice, and pickled jalapenos. Before you get started, cut your lime in half, go around the edges of your glass, and dress your rims with salt. Into a shaker, add 45 ml of tequila, 20 ml of triple sec, 30 ml of lime juice, five slices of jalapeno, and a little bit of jalapeno brine. Add ice and shake. And you're done. Tell us what you would do to improve this recipe. See you next time.